Yeah, Saturday morning. Yesterday afternoon I didn't film because of this. So, before I left work at 3, I checked the weather forecast and it was, rain after 5. On my way, so we were around 3:30 p.m. It started to rain for like 5-10 minutes, but nothing major. So I said, okay, perhaps this is like the first cloud. So let's go immediately, for a walk. And 15 minutes later, it started to rain. So basically, when we came back, Lizzie, stoi, stoi. Pridna gremo. Yeah, we came back completely wet. And of course, because I had no umbrella with me, on me, unlike today. And kebab patrol. So yeah, they also changed the forecast for the next week. Actually, today it's a lot warmer than yesterday. Pejmo. Fuj to. No kebab. Yeah, they changed the forecast. So no snow here in Ljubljana. Just rain in the beginning of the week, for let's say for the first half, and then sunny afterwards. Perhaps snow up to 30 centimeters in the higher laying settlements, so in the north of the country. But yeah, no snow for Ljubljana. Especially, if you consider now, yesterday it was much colder than today, but now with all the rain, the ground are even more, warmer, more warm than yesterday. And of course, you would need to have several days of real cold, so the ground would be nice and cold also, so that the snow wouldn't melt immediately. But yeah, at least we have to go for a walk. At least that. No matter what the weather is, we have to go out for a walk. And hopefully Liza will see her friend Nar. And more importantly, get some treats. Okay, that's it.